guys! This is Mima and welcome to my vlog. Pero bago ang lahat, intro muna. Guys, for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba gumawa ng sarili ninyong Facebook page or known as business page. So, syempre, una, punta kayo sa Facebook. Then, hahanapin ninyo yung part na page, which is etong orange flag. So, next thing is, pipindutin ninyo yung create. And then, get started. So, dito sa page name, kayo na bahala kung ano yung page name ninyo. Depende kung anong purpose ng page na gagawin ninyo. For example, ang gagawin ko ay for AYS. So, ang ilalagay ko na name is AYS Instant Services. Ayan. Kapag kayo gumagawa ng Facebook page is kailangan yung content ninyo is naka-align sa page name. Okay? So, press next. And then choose categories. So, since business ang pinag-uusapan natin, we're going to search for business. Business center or pwede rin namang business consultant. Ayan. So, right after that, create. Meron tayo makikita dito na promote your products or services or create content and connect with fans. Ayan. And then, continue. After that, may papapakita yung bio or pwede nyong ilagay yung pinaka-shortest and simple explanation regarding or information regarding sa business page ninyo. So, right after that, just put your contact or kung pala naman, kung wala kayong website, pwede natin ilagay ang email or phone number. So, kayo na bahalang maglalagay dyan. And after putting it, after nun, pwede rin ninyong ilagay yung location. So, meron kayong two choices. Pwedeng location ninyo or pwede rin namang location ng office natin. Which is, ayan. Okay. So, after that, press always open. And next. After pressing next, mayroon mapapakita dyan na action which is paglalagay ng profile and cover photo. So, much better maglagay tayo ng profile natin, yung maayos na picture, and then the cover photo is regarding po yan sa inyong business page. So, example, ang ilalagay natin ay this one. And then, your cover photo is pwede rin namang ayan. So, depende na sa inyo guys kung anong ilalagay ninyo na pictures. Cover photo or profile. Ang importante, ito ay malinaw, kita ang mukha ninyo, and for the cover photo is regarding yan sa inyong business page. Then, kung satisfied na kayo, press next. Okay. So, this is the final part. Since bago pa lang ang mismong business page natin, maganda na mag-invite friends na kayo para may like and followers na agad ang inyong kagagawang business page. So, invite friends, select all, and then send invites. So, no matter kung gaano kahadami yung inyong friends or followers sa Facebook, ang importante makapag-invite kayo ng inyong friends to like or follow ng inyong business page. So, if you're satisfied, press next. And then, next, and done. So, ayan, created na ang inyong sariling business page. Pwede na kayong mag-post ng inyong mga content regarding po sa inyong page. So, ayun guys, ganun lang naman kabilis at kadali kung paano gumawa ng sarili nating Facebook page or business page. So, ayun. Thank you for watching and God bless. Bye!